This course is going to teach you in a very step-by-step basis how to move from get going with Power BI installation and learning how to use various controls in Power BI, and then how to implement a real world scenario consuming all different types of data and incorporating it into one data set, and then build beautiful dashboards. About this course basically intends to the target audience, which are beginners and intermediate learners of Power BI. I assume while getting you through this course that most of you would be learning this as a fresh course, and a few of you all would definitely be knowing what Power BI is, and some of those people would be also using this Power BI. This course will act as a refresher course for the people who already know Power BI and teach the rest of us the step-by-step guide to get going on Power BI. Objective of this course is to crawl, walk and run in making beautiful Power BI reports and dashboards for your personal and official and exploratory learning purposes. This course will teach all of the students about ways to learn, get going with Power BI with loads of development insights. Something which has come with me over the years of experience which I have in Power BI. I've set the difficulty level as very easy, as we would be targeting all the controls in Power BI in a very easygoing way, wherein you know all the properties and controls about Power BI. It would be great um, if you know one of the following, which is Excel, relational databases, OLAP, OLTP tools like SSRS, or similar Power BI competitors like Tableau or ClickView. If you know little, it would be great. If you don't know, it's much better. Target audience for this course is developers, students who are enthusiastic to learn a new Microsoft technology, which is Power BI, and corporate heads who usually consume Power BI dashboards. Will give them insights how to make Power BI dashboard from whatever available data source they currently consume. And yes, and last but not the least, ever learning students who would like to know this course and probably would help them secure a better jobs in big organizations, because today data is oil.